Good afternoon, Warriors. Today is May 2nd. It's a Wednesday, 2018. Taking a look at our homework for this evening. In math, there is no homework, and there will not be for the next few days, as we're starting an in-class project today. Science, there's no homework. You do have a soil test next Tuesday. Please make sure that you're preparing and studying for that in advance. Also in science, your money for Malabar Farm, which we are going to 2 weeks from Friday, that is due this Friday, May 4th. In social studies, you need to study your Europe map. There's going to be a map quiz Thursday, and then you also need to be doing your service project work if you have not yet done so. Language arts, there is no homework. In literature, you need to read AR. All points are due on the 18th of May. We also have the Karen Hesse worksheet that is dealing with our Out of the Dust book that we are taking a look at. You also need to study your vocabulary because there's going to be a quiz tomorrow or Friday. When that happens, you won't know, but you need to be prepared for it. That's all we got for today. Make it a good one.